Rhythms of sound blend with rhythms of space, which create rhythms of joy, and rhythms of sound blend with rhythms of space, which create rhythms of joy, and rhythms of sound blend with rhythms of space, which create rhythms of joy, and rhythms of sound blend with rhythms of space, which create rhythms of joy, and rhythms of sound blend with rhythms of space, which create rhythms of joy, and rhythms of sound blend with rhythms of space.
With the roughest verse you ever seen, being down from the Enterprise, realize that he's wise, paralyzed many. Niggas feel me cause it's scary, hairy situations brewing in my mind when I rhyme. Rise like yeast, it be the beats with the speech and my syllables dwell emotion. As I coast, how you do this? Flow fluid, with the music from my mouth like biz. Niggas flop, flop, fizz, here it is, here it comes. Mad control of the tongue got you sprung like the first time ejaculation. In your mind, orgasm, back spasm on the whole, got control of your soul. I'm cold, got a hold of your body. Jay got the shotty for the hard motherfuckers. Ripping apart motherfuckers for bad behavior. Nothing can save ya. Peep what I say, you gotta break like that. We got the ill type motions. See, we come in slow motion. And we rock, rock on. We got the ill type motions. We got the ill slow motions. We gotta rock, rock on. We gotta type rock on. Rock, rock on. The U crooked letter. A veteran or better when I rock the mic sober naturally. High in the mind, undefined, no direction in my life or my flow. My vibe radiates and penetrates, illustrative. I throw these brothers out of frame. I find them, break them down, stamping on my name, Mr. K. United is the soul of the undefined brother on the microphone, fixed to take control like Janet Jackson. I attack the rhythm nation with the hellified styles. Psych collaborate and make the music for the South, kid. Something new set aside from the chicken fried shit. Identified with the area, taking care of you. My agenda never selling your show. We becoming real, no pretenders. Some thought they saw a kitty cat. Yo, that was really whack. I asked them what they talking about. They say I never knew that. It's time for us to take control. It's my world destroying every mic I hold. MC exterminator, call me decay. One time in the house, we turn it out this way. Slow motion. We got the ill type motions. See, we come in slow motion. And we rock, rock on. We gotta rock, rock on. We got the ill type motions. And it's coming slow motion. We gotta rock, rock on. Yeah. Gotta get the money, ain't a damn thing funny. Got 100,000 coming like a hurricane, man. Same game, new player on the microphone. Try to understand your aspirations. Superstar mentality and ain't got the salary. Introduce yourself in the cypher like you got juice, but you ain't seen a nigga like your boy get loose. Like your sister did on prom night, rhymes bite. Never ball cause I'm not a talker. Stalk you like a veteran, edit your rhyme scheme. When I drop the lecture cause I'ma get ya. Leave you laying in the stretcher. Eeny, meeny, mighty, doja flow. And then I left you in the streets like Sharif Ben Severe. I'm the menace, I ain't finished. Sit your ass down and listen to the flavor that we drop in every track. It's non-stop. Example is the crew, we keep it moving round the clock and we gone. We got the ill type motions. And we come in slow motion. And we rock, rock on. We got the ill type motions. And it come in slow motion. And we rock, rock on. We gotta rock, rock on. We fix to keep slow motion. Slow motion.
Slow motion. Slow motion.
2696. It was written in the land of players. The world say it is the king. Never thought I could or would say goodbye to this lifestyle of mine. Caught up in the rhyme, a dreamer, roaming in the streets. Yo, it seems that this shit'll never change, but we gotta do things. Cause yo, I got a queen. Look into her eyes, frustration. Told her I would sign a line, get some kids of mine in the one-story house in the trade. My own little dream, not reality, after present. Learning lessons by the second. Grab the microphone like I'm a record. Relapsing to depression. Regress to the dues and abuse in my youth. To the non-believers, the overseers gonna guide us to a new horizon. Why the eagles be colliding? Me and Cypher gotta do the strive. And yo, we gotta keep the focus. And gotta do the best of what we know to do. And say goodbye to the stress. Out there, we gotta get some money, nigga. I pull the trigger every time a vocal hit the speaker. Feeling weak cause I've been sick for 2 months. Can't afford no medication. OJ and toilet tissue. It's time to say goodbye to the same old thing. Trying to be, hold your head high. Be aware the good lies in every situation you're faced with. I know, cause my 20-something years on this planet went from homebound to all around the world in a day. The southern players, examples cutting through the layers to get to the core. You see, it's in the nature to be the best. No more, no less, we on a mission to say goodbye to stress and take control of how we living. Example is the name, and to live is the description. We gotta say goodbye to this crazy life we living. Remember in the winter, the fall of 93, showed me WSC, Georgia secondary education to fulfill the dreams of Americans far and wide. The dream ain't mine. My words and rhyme forms immaculate like the son of Jehovah. Time to say goodbye, cause you know we barely getting over. Smoking swisher sweets in my dorm room. Looking at these fools jocking letters, athletic, sometimes they come in threes. Whoop your ass, now you's a better man or a woman. But you didn't see it coming, that's why we had to say goodbye. K the cornerback, the soft talking Southern Mac daddy. Yo, we only got played one time. Bad choice of kitty cats. She shared the name of a whole nation. Goose and Caucasians left with no debating. I never had a chance to express myself. He never had a chance to express himself. We never had a chance to express ourselves. But we glad you're gone, cause it's on.